From this to this. Magandang araw everyone! For today's video, nandito na naman tayo sa ating home service para sa isa na namang transformation. Today's client is Miss Charmaine Aguilana, a grade 12 student from Mariano D. Marquez Memorial National High School. Very special ang araw na ito para kay Charmaine dahil siya ay gagraduate na ngayong March 31. Kaya naman, syempre gusto natin na fresh, confident, at extra beautiful siya sa kanyang big day. Kaya ang service na gagawin natin today is home service hair rebonding with Brazilian hair treatment. Perfect para sa mga students like Charmaine na gusto ng sleek, straight, manageable na buhok, lalo na sa importanteng events tulad ng graduation. Alam naman natin ang hair rebonding ay isa sa pinaka-effective na paraan para ma-achieve ang straight and smooth na hair. From frizzy at buhaghag na buhok, magiging silky, shiny, at napaka-soft nito pagkatapos ng treatment. Isa sa mga benefits ng hair rebonding ay long-lasting ang result. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-effort araw-araw sa pagplansya ng buhok. Imagine mo, paggising mo pa lang, ayos na agad ang buhok mo. Very convenient, lalo na sa mga busy students. Another advantage is nakakadagdag ito ng confidence, lalo na sa mga kabataan na may upcoming events like graduation. Sobrang importante na feel mo yung sarili mo. And we all know, kapag maganda ang buhok mo, iba talaga ang glow mo. To Charmaine, advance congratulations sa iyo. We are so happy to be part of your preparation for this milestone. Naway magsilbing bagong simula ito para sa iyong mga pangarap. And here is the final result of Charmaine Aguilana's hair. As you can see, from medyo frizzy and buhaghag na buhok, ngayon ay super straight, smooth, and shiny na siya. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng salon quality, tried and tested, home service hair rebonding, don't hesitate to chat us. We'd be very happy to make your hair straight, smooth, shiny, and manageable. Once again, thank you so much, Charmaine, for trusting our home service hair rebonding. Once again, congratulations on your graduation. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to heart share this video, and see you again on our next transformation.